Masuk kamera dulu kali ya. Masuk kamera. Jalan dulu ya. So this is it, the edge of the Jalan Peta Selatan, and we want to heading to Jalan Dan Mogot Raya to the Tangerang. If we go left, we can see police office, police station, Kalideres police station. Okay, now we're going to Jalan Dan Mogot Street. This part still West Jakarta. Slowly, brother. Rich people with motor gede. Kind of motorbike, it's too big for me. I love this motorbike, Repsol Honda Blade 110cc that I bought second from the second-hand motorbike dealer back in 2011. This is my first motorbike actually that I used to buy with my own money by credit. Alright, we're going to the border of West Jakarta and Tangerang City. You can see the bridge over there, and it says Selamat Jalan, which is goodbye. Have a nice trip. See, you can see there the monument of the border. Now we are in Tangerang City or Banten province. We are now in the different area in Indonesia. Sorry if my English is not really good, because I haven't practiced my English since I left my job as a teacher. When I was a teacher back in 2010 until 2015, I used to use English to speak with my students and my mentor, because my mentor is from Singapore. Alright, now we are in Jalan Maulana Hasanuddin. We are heading to Pasar Sipon. I want to buy chicken fillet for my what we say in English, my chicken salad, my favorite chicken salad. Right over there is train station, Forest train station. We are heading for intersection. It's a train gate. See, that's the train. Airport train. This is the busiest that was the busiest train rail